everyone and welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty levels and few stocks analysis for the next trading session, that is 11th of November. So let's check Bank Nifty chart, and this is the daily time frame of Bank Nifty, and it has opened gap up near to the resistance zone, and then let me cover a 15-minute chart, and it has opened here at resistance zone, then forming a bullish candle, and then uptrended move straight away with the opening price. So this is the way market has opened near to a support zone, then taking support near which the resistance, and then it has given a nice rally. So this was a one pullback, and then again it has given a one chance on upside bounce back also. So this is the whole day movement, and let me mark the levels for the next trading session. So first we are going to mark the area of support and resistance, which is high 28,802, and the low of the today's trading session, which is the first 15-minute candle 27,916. So this is the two levels which we have marked, and let me mark the now level for support zone. So support we are going to mark from this point to this point. This is my area of retracement, which is comes 61% comes at this level, and the gap support is also there. So I'm going to mark the level at the area of gap support, which is at 27,590. So let me mark 27,600 level. So this could be a possible area of support, important area of support for the next trading session. And if I can take simple retracement of this move on 15-minute time frame, then the 61% comes near 29,100 level. So let me now mark the level 29,100 level is the area of important resistance for Nifty Bank for the next trading session 11th of November. So let's mark the level resistance at 29,100 level and support at 27,600 level. This is the area of support and resistance for the next trading session, that is 11th November. So now let's check Nifty index. So this is the whole momentum. This is the first candle which is bearish, then it is taken support near to the last trading session high, and then it has given upside move. So this is a strong move, one pullback in the intraday, and then again it has one bounce back on upside again after this small retracement. This it was a good opportunity. So let me mark the level of support, the important area of demand and supply. So first I'm going to mark the high 12,642 and the low 12,475. These are the two levels which we have marked, and if I can take the important area of support, so I really want to take some retracement of this point to this point, from this to this point, and the area of support comes at 61% somewhere here, and 50% is somewhere here. So let me mark the area of support near to 61% retracement 12,365. So this could be a possible area of support zone for Nifty index, and let me check the retracement for the resistance zone. So 161% comes near 12,700, which is very much near the last high, last closing also. And if I would check again one more retracement of the first candle, which is also around the 261% around 12,700. So this is a two confirmation. 12,700 is the zone where Nifty may face some kind of resistance in next couple of days or maybe next day also. So let me mark the level now. Write down. I'm write down the level. So important area of resistance 12,700 and important area of support 12,365. So these are the two levels you can watch for the next trading session. Now let's check two stocks for tomorrow's trading session. The first one is Voltas. Voltas, let me mark the moving average and outside also. So this is the good trended stock, and this is a small bound, small retracement. The volumes are declining on this retracement, and whenever stock price going upside, good volumes appear. So that is a clearly uptrended buying stock. So this is a good opportunity to enter in this stock. Keep your stop loss below this low, or this is the area of gap. So you can keep your stop loss at 755, 760 zone, and you can enter this stock for the target area of this resistance for next day or maybe next 2 to 3 days. So Voltas is a clear good buy. Keep your stop loss below this swing low and expecting a price of projected target somewhere 800 level. So this is my first bet, Voltas. Then the next bet is for LIC Housing Finance, which has given a very nice breakout on the daily time frame. So this stock is not for intraday only, but let's say swing trade for a couple of days. We are expecting a good moment on upside in next couple of days. So if you have the capacity to hold this position for next few days, then you can enter this stock. This is not for only intraday purpose, because the breakout appears on a daily time frame. Expecting you can enter next to the open price next day and wait for some days to hit the target around 380 zone, and keep your stop loss at this swing low around 280 zone. So this is a possibility in LIC Housing Finance, a good breakout on daily time frame. So expecting a good movement in next couple of days. So these are the two stocks which we have discussed. The first one is Voltas, a buy call, and LIC Housing Finance is also a buy call. And if you like this video, then you can hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and wait for another video. Thank you so much.